Hi guys, so this is Mitali here and let's get started. First I'm taking my aloe vera gel and this is from the brand Nature's Co and I'll be applying it all over my face, and today I'm using it as my face primer. And for the foundation I'm taking my Olivia foundation and I'll be mixing it up with my Icon London Illuminator, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face so that I get a nice base, and then I'm just gonna blend it up with my beauty sponge and just blend it properly so that your base makeup looks amazing. Then for the concealer I'm taking my elegant Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan and I'm applying it under my eyes, eyelids, around my nose, around my mouth, and wherever I have discoloration and pigmentation I'm just gonna apply my concealer there so that my makeup looks flawless. Then I'm just gonna blend it up with my beauty sponge, and make sure that you give a lot of time while blending the product so that your base makeup looks amazingly flawless. To lock that concealer I am taking my Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder and I'll just powder my face, especially the under eye areas and my smile lines and just the centers of my face, because that part gets oiled up very quickly. And then for my brows I'm taking my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and this is a perfect match for my brows. I love this eyebrow pencil and I think I'll be uploading my eyebrow routine really soon on my channel, so yeah, just wait for that. I'm just filling in the gaps in between my eyebrows and nothing else. So the main part is the eyeliner, and for that I'm taking my ADS dark pink color liquid lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick and I'm taking the color on an eyeliner brush and I'm just simply drawing the winged eyeliner with this pink lipstick hai, but I'm using it as eyeliner today for drawing that beautiful pink winged eyeliner look. I just love the result this gives. आप भी इसे try करो, and if you try this make sure you tag me and send this picture to my social media handles. Now I'm just applying a little bit of pink color blush all over my face to get some color on my face. So I'm just applying it, and then I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners with a silver color like a shimmer or a powder. And for the lips I'm taking a basic nude lipstick because I wanted to focus everything on my eyes, so I'm just going very light on, and yeah, we are done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. This will mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, you can also follow me on my social media handles, especially on my Instagram because I'm really active there. So yeah, now we'll meet in the next one. Till then, bye guys, take care.